Hi everybody, this is Jodi Suson with Suson Essentials, and I am doing both a Facebook Live video and a LinkedIn video because I think everybody needs help. So my question for you today is, what is stopping you from being your best self? You know, when I do speaking engagements, I often talk about the 3T's, which are toxins, traumas, and thoughts. So those are the three things that cause subluxation in our spine. These are the things that, stop us from being our best self. When we're exposing ourselves to toxins, and the toxins are the contaminants in our water supply, the contaminants in our food supply, the contaminants in the things that we're cleaning our house with. And there's more, right? So what are you doing to support yourself in removing the toxicity from your life? And I'm going to ask you that again, but not relative to the cleaning supplies and the food and your medicine and things like that. But now I'm going to ask you that same question relative to the people in your life. Are you removing the toxic people in your life? Because that's just as damaging as the toxic food. It's just as damaging as the toxic chemicals, like all of that. And I support people in doing all of those things. I have a team of people, medical professionals, leadership professionals, and these are my power partners. Kind of a silly term, but they are. And they are powerful. And the reason that they're so powerful is because they empower you to be your best self. And if you're not your best self today, what is it going to take to get you there? And who's going to help you get there? And I have my babies with me. This is Fagala right here. This is Tinkerbell. Hello, Tinkerbell. Sometimes I include them in my videos, and today I want to share a story. You know, some people say they may not know the difference when they eat organic or don't eat organic, or when they fuel their body with the right stuff and how it's going to affect you emotionally, physically, and so forth. So I'm going to tell you a short story. Because birds, they can't make stuff up. Humans, we make stuff up. But birds, they can't make stuff up. So this girl I adopted. Oh, speak up, please. Okay, so this bird, Tinkerbell, I adopted after my other bird died. And she was an introvert, and she was scared to be around anybody at all. And then this baby I adopted for Tinkerbell. And she's got something, you got something on your head. She's got some schmutz on her head. But anyway, when I adopted her, she was sick. And basically, her numbers, her vitals, were in the toilet, and she was going to die. Now, I already been through my health journey for the first couple of years. I knew the power of food as medicine. So I did the research, and I supported Fagala, this one right here, who just turned 2 a couple weeks ago. Hello, baby. And I fed her what I fed me. I gave her echinacea. I gave her turmeric. I gave her cayenne pepper. And when I took her back to the doctor, and remember, this bird was like basically on her deathbed, they wanted to know what I did because they didn't understand how the numbers went from the toilet to exactly where they needed to be. She was super, super healthy. So she can't make up being healthy. She's either healthy or she's not. Placebos aren't going to work, right? So I did the same thing for me as I did for them we're all healthy. And then, of course, there's the next part. What are you doing to get, you get the toxicity out of your life, fuel your body with the right foods. But then the other toxicity, what do those relationships look like, right? Because if you don't have happiness, and if you don't have joy, and you're here on this earth plane, what do you got? What do you got? And I was wanting to share this because I'm coaching some people and they're living their lives for other people. They're living their lives for other people. And when you live your life for someone other than yourself, it's toxic. It doesn't happen any other way. So anyway, I wanted to share those thoughts with you today. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and consider, modifying your lifestyle to get rid of those 3T's: toxins, traumas, and thoughts. And they're all equally harmful to your body. And I'll just close with this. I watched the docuseries, The Truth About Cancer. And what they said was, hey, you can clean up your diet. You can eat organic all you want. But guess what? If you don't clear up what's going on between your ears, your brain, your mental health, you're still going to die of cancer. Because our thoughts are toxic to us. And so if the people in your lives are if the people in your lives are toxic, start making some changes. Find your voice. Get your needs met. And if you can't get your needs met with the people that are in your life, find new people. Find your new tribe. Anyways, signing off. Hope everyone has a blessed day. And say hi to my baby. Bye-bye.